Chapter 15. Changes in our environment. We will learn about what environment means, greenhouse effect, greenhouse gases, global warming, pollution, reuse and recycle. What environment means? Everything that surrounds us forms our environment. It consists of all living and non-living things. Example, air, water, plants, animals, land, human beings, microbes, etc. The growth, development and survival of all living beings depend upon the environment that surrounds them. Therefore, we need a healthy environment for our good health. However, we have always interfered with the environment to suit our needs. For example, we have changed the grasslands into farmlands. Parts of the forest have been cut down to build colonies and factories. Moreover, wildlife habitats have also been reduced. It has caused degradation of quality of our environment. Let us know how several human activities have affected the environment badly. Greenhouse effect. We have already learned about the composition of air. The atmosphere refers to a thick blanket of gases covering the Earth's surface. This atmosphere contains many gases such as carbon dioxide, methane, nitrous oxide and water vapor, which trap the sun's energy and prevent the heat to escape into space. Hence, this heat gets trapped and as a result, it heats up the Earth. This is called the greenhouse effect and these gases are known as greenhouse gases. The greenhouse gases retain the amount of infrared radiation close to the Earth's surface and thereby cause an increase in the temperature. Knowledge hunter. A greenhouse refers to a structure which has roof and walls made from glass in which plants that need regulated climatic conditions are grown. The greenhouse's interior is left exposed to sunlight. Greenhouse gases. Carbon dioxide. The amount of carbon dioxide is increasing in the Earth's atmosphere quickly. Cutting down of trees on large scale, deforestation and burning of fuels are key factors of carbon dioxide emission. CFCs, chlorofluorocarbons or CFCs are widely used in air conditioners and refrigerators. They trap the ultraviolet rays of the sun and do not allow it to escape. Ozone. It is located in the stratosphere layer of the atmosphere. It is accountable for 3 to 7% greenhouse effect. Methane. Animal waste and grass-eating animals release it. It accounts for 4 to 9% greenhouse effect. Water vapor. 60 to 70% of the greenhouse effect is caused due to water vapors. Global warming. Global warming. Greenhouse gases in the atmosphere trap the sun's heat and it results in an increase in Earth's temperature. This is known as global warming. During the past century, the Earth's average temperature has increased by 1 degree Fahrenheit and in the next century, it may rise about 2 degrees Fahrenheit to 6 degrees Fahrenheit. The after effects of these climate change are clearly seen today. For example, melting polar ice caps, increase in ocean's water level, flooding of places near the sea. Ways to reduce global warming. Each nation, particularly those ones which release more greenhouse gases, should reduce them. We have to become more dependent on alternative fuels such as CNG. We have to grow more trees. All nations must sign an agreement in the direction to reduce greenhouse gases. One such agreement is Kyoto Protocol. We can also do our bit by consuming less electricity, reducing the use of fuel, using public transport, and start using recycled products. Pollution. Pollution refers to the spoiling of land, air and water. Kinds of pollution. Air pollution, water pollution, soil pollution. Knowledge hunter. Around 1 lakh marine mammals die annually because of plastic pollution. Air pollution is a big problem of cities. Vehicles, factories and houses are polluting the air by smoke. It also leads to health issues. Spilling of oil or petroleum and throwing chemical waste from factories, including water bodies, leads to water pollution. Throwing of plastic bags, metals, containers and glass bottles in the soil causes soil pollution. Such items stay in the soil for a long period and pollute it. Reuse and recycle. This is done to decrease the stock of waste materials such as metal, paper, rubber, cloth and plastic in landfills. Such materials can be reused directly or recycled and reused after that. Let us take some examples. Rubber. Used tires can be cut into shapes of swing seats, climbing frames and slippers, etc. Rubber tubes can be used as beads, rings and bracelets. Metal. Metal objects are reusable. Craftsmen buy and melt pieces of scrap to make frames, jewelry and decorative items. Empty aluminium cans are cleaned, melted and reshaped into new cans for reuse. Keywords. Environment. Everything that surrounds us. Pollution, spoiling of land, air and water. Atmosphere. A thick blanket of gases covering the Earth's surface. Global warming, the increase in the temperature of the Earth's atmosphere. I should remember, everything that surrounds us forms our environment. The growth, development and survival of all living beings depends upon the environment that surrounds them. Human beings have interfered with the environment. The atmosphere refers to a thick blanket of gases covering the Earth's surface. Carbon dioxide is increasing in the Earth's atmosphere. Ozone is located in the stratosphere. Pollution refers to spoiling of land, air and soil. Pollution is of three kinds: air, water and soil.